Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'll be learning how to transfer huge applications from one phone to the other. In this scenario I have two devices connected already, so let's get into it. Okay, first off, we go to our Play Store, click on your profile icon, click on manage apps and device. On the sending device, click send. Now you move to the other device, go to your Play Store, click on the icon manage apps and device. On this device you click receive. Now on the sending device, select the application you want to send. In this case I'm selecting Call of Duty and I hit send. Now we should get the receiving device on the sending device so as to pair, then the sending will begin. So in less than some seconds we should get the receiving device ID. Alright, here it is. In this case it is Sam. Now on the sending device you have to accept or receive, rather you have to click receive. Now your applications should start sending in no time, and it's pretty fast. In this case I'm getting around 5 megabytes per second, which is okay. So I'll cut the video and I'll be back when it's done. Alright, so it's done already. Alright, now we click install. Alright, let's try open up the game. So we grant all permissions. And there we have it, guys. There we have it. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you are new, please consider hitting the subscribe button, like the video, also share the video so others can get to know of this method. Alright guys, thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Yeah.